I have very good news. I was able to get my hands on 200 masks that I want to give out for free to anybody, anywhere in the world. Actually, I want to give out 180 masks. I want to keep 20 masks for myself, my friends and family, and I want to give out 180 masks. And every person can get up to 2 masks. So if everyone gets 2 masks, that will be 90 people that will be getting the masks. Unfortunately, that's the quantity that I was able to get my hands on. And if I'm able to get my hands on more masks in the future, I will most definitely let you know so you can get some. I do not want to post the masks on our website right after I post the video, because maybe one side of the world is still sleeping and did not have a chance to see the video and to log in and order. I do not know how fast the masks will go out. So what I will do, maybe after I post the video, 8 hours later or 12 hours later, where everybody had a chance to see the video, I will be posting the product on our website for you to go and order. Again, ordering is free. The price of the mask will be absolutely free and shipping will be free. I know the quantity is limited. 180 pieces is nothing. And if every person gets 2 masks, that's 90 people who will be getting the masks. And that's a shame because I'm not able to get my hands on more masks as of now. These are the regular masks that look like this. They are marked as disposable. But I can tell you that I've been using a similar mask for the past 3 weeks. After every use, I just wipe it with alcohol. I let it dry for 30 seconds and I reuse the mask. You do not need to have an N95 mask. The news agencies, the government, hospitals, they tell you that you do not need an N95 mask. Leave those to doctors who are first responders, who are dealing with corona patients. For us, any mask on our face should be okay as long as there's social distancing. If you are a person who already have a mask or you have an easy way of getting masks, just skip, do not order them, and leave the masks for people who need them. To order the mask, you log in to NorthridgeFix.com, click on the shop area of the site, and when the mask is posted, you can add 2 masks to your shopping cart and order. I'll leave a link down in the description, and I hope that everybody who needs them can get them.